Hi, my name is Alice.
And my name is Steve. We've been customers of T.Webber for 30 years now.
When I see the Webber truck entering the driveway, I feel relieved and happy to see them.
They address us by name and we address them by their names. And then we sit down occasionally and have either breakfast or coffee before they go to work.
One year, we had a total, so to speak, explosion. The toilets broke, everything broke. My entire kitchen fell apart. And this is the time you really need someone who is there for you. And sure enough, we called them, they answered, they came, they saw it, they said it's terrible, but don't worry, we will help you.
And they did a marvelous job.
Incredible.
Absolutely incredible, cleaning up the mess and getting us back into operation again. It didn't even take that long. They're one of the best companies we've ever dealt with.